Club of Angeles has officially started. Before anything else, of course, may I request everybody to please stand for our invocation. Okay, Eternal God, this joyful day is radiant with the brilliance of your one true light. May that light illuminate our hearts and shine in our words and deeds. May the hope, the peace, the joy, and the love represented by the birth of Bethlehem to fill our lives and become part of all that is we say and do. May we say the divine life of your Son, Jesus Christ, even as humbled himself to share our humanity. Bless us and the feast that you have provided for us, and let us be thankful for the true gift of Christmas, your Son, Jesus Christ. Amen. Please remain standing, and before anything else, let us offer 1 minute of prayer for the quick recovery of our district governor, Governor Tigna Ragasa, together with the district secretary